morning, students. Today we will resume the topic which was already under discussion, that was noun number, as we have already discussed some three rules of how to make plural, and these are pretty spelling rules. There we will change a sort of trick to make plural of those nouns. Okay, so let's take a quick summary of the topic that we have covered so far. There are three examples. There are three, I suppose, rules that we have already discussed. The very first rule and the very basic and very fundamental rule is that for the sake of making plural, we do what? We just add is to the base word, to the main word, and there were a lot of examples we just took. And apart from that, in addition to that, we discussed that some nouns which end in s, double s, ch, x, or z, and these nouns be added es to make to make plural nouns. Okay, so this was the second rule, and the third rule was third rule that we discussed. It was some nouns that ending in y and preceded by consonant, and then only we'll do what? We'll remove off the word y, letter y, and add ies, and then whereas if a word that ends in y but it is not preceded by consonant, rather it is preceded by vowel sound and vowel letter simply, there we are bound to add only s to the base word, only s to the content word, main word, major word, that is root word, base word. So this is how, and now we are moving forward to the fourth fourth rule and regulation to form plural forms. Okay, so some nouns that end in f or fe. Some nouns are there, they end in f or fe, and then we, for the sake of making them plural, we would do what? We'll change that f or fe into ves. We'll remove those words, whether it is f or fe, and then we'll do what? We'll use ves instead of fe or f. It will be made plural easily. So let's look at the word wife, and wife word ends in the sound or letters fe. So now, as rule says that those nouns which end in fe, and you are supposed to do what? To make them plural, you would add ves, and you will remove fe or f. So we'll remove fe here, and then wi will be the same here. It is same. Now fe, we have removed fe, and then we have added only what? Ves. So this is how we have done it. And then again the word there is knife, and I don't know what is the reason between word wife and knife. Completely unknown regarding this. Usually these words come together. Hope you would know this. And then this is how jokes apart. So this is how knife ends in fe, again the same as above it was. Now we have done the same trick, we have done the same job, we have done the same business. And then now, so let's take some other examples of not fe, that we have taken some two examples of fe. Now some nouns which end in if, and then we'll again follow the same path. We'll again follow the same track to make them plural. Okay, word loaf is there, and that ends in f, and then we'll do what? We'll do the same job, and there we'll just remove away this letter f, and then we'll add ves. So loa is the same expression, same part of the word, and then we have added ves instead of this f. So this is how we have made what? Plural. And then there are a lot of examples you will find there. Wolf is there, it will be wolves. F will be removed off, and then instead of that removed part of the word, it will be ves particle, ves syllable will be added to the word, rest word. So life is there, and then again lives. So see, I didn't write the word. This is quite natural that I didn't write the word life with this by. So okay, and then we'll move forward with some next rules. That there is another part of the very first rule, that is part of the first rule, and that is 4.1. I've given the number there. those nouns which end in f or fe, that is the same, because that's why we are saying it is a part of the same. So those nouns which, some nouns, and this is exceptional case, आप इसको exceptional भी कह सकते हैं. This is exception. You can call it either exception or a rule. So in any grammar you will find so many exceptions. That is why some nouns end in some nouns, and will be few, and these will be these will be easily counted, and these are countables on hand. So this is these are countable on fingers, simply I must say, rather, because that this is quite befitting word to use right over there in that context, in that particular sort of place, rather state. And then this is how we'll do what we those nouns, some nouns, a few nouns. I've given examples there, and then I'll do some. I'll refer some other books to be looked over for some other examples. So f or fe, some nouns that end in f or fe, they don't take ves, they take only s. हम क्या करेंगे, जहाँ पर f और fe some nouns होंगे, उनमें से हम क्या करेंगे कि we don't use ves, rather we use only s to the base word. Here we have used word chief is there. For these, as far as these words are concerned, beta, there is no short way to remember them. There is no rule to master over it, and this is how this particular sort of rule you will have to cram it. आप cram कर सकते हैं, रटा मार सकते हैं. Some words are there that you should at least cram them, so that it will be in your knowledge. These words will be in your knowledge, and you would know that chief is a word which by no rule, but we know, because we know that it doesn't follow any rule like this, as we have already discussed, but it takes only only s to the base word. So chief, plural will be chiefs. We'll add only s. Gulf, gulf, and then that will be gulfs, only s will be added. Handkerchief, only s will be added to the man word, only that root word. Proof, proofs, and then proofs. Okay, sometimes students say, sir, there is a word prove, proves. Okay, so this is verb. We are discussing nouns. We are dealing with right now. We are dealing with nouns, and this proof is a verb. ये verb है, तो verb की second form बनती है, उसके plural भी होते हैं. Like this is already a plural verb, and then उसका singular आप करेंगे, and it will be proves, जो कि हम third person singular के साथ use कर सकते हैं. He proves, she proves, it proves, and then I prove, you prove, we prove. So this is how, and then proved होगा, proving होगा. So this is how prove is a verb and proof is a noun, and then its plural will be proofs. Only s will be added to that particular sort of word. So now we'll move to the next rule, 5.2. Again, there is another exception. So exception number 1 आप कह सकते हैं उसको, and then this is exception number 2. Exception number 2 is very much related to the same rule. Same rule के साथ उनका ताल्लुक है. It again discusses the same thing. So we are going to discuss the same thing. Again, those nouns which end in f or fe, some nouns, and then you will cram this exception. इस exception को आप cram कर सकते हैं, रटा मार सकते हैं, ताकि आपको इन words का पता चले कि इनके साथ सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या लगता है, s लगता है. बाकियों को आप छोड़ दें, बाकियों के साथ ves लगेगा. एंड देन आप नेक्स्ट इस को cram करेंगे, इसको रटा लगाएंगे, ताकि आप लोगों को पता चले कि some nouns that end in f or fe, they'll be made plural with both cases. Both cases मतलब अगर उनके साथ आप s लगाएंगे तो भी वो सही हो जाएंगे, अगर उनके साथ आप ves लगाएंगे तो भी वो सही हो जाएंगे. इन बोथ केसेस सम नाउन्स. अब हम एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स के जो कि आपके नाउन्स एंड होंगे एफ या एफ ई पे, उनके साथ दोनों. ऊपर आप देख सकते हैं कि पहला एक रूल था जिसके साथ आपने एफ आर एफ ई लगाया, जो नाउन्स पे ख़त्म हो रहे थे उनके साथ वी ई एस लगाया था. फिर हमारा ऐसा रूल आया, एक्सेप्शन आया, जिसमें आपने क्या किया था, एफ को हटाकर हमने. So this is how we will be dealing with the next. Do remember that some nouns are there still that they will take both ways, and they will take both ways. In both So we are going to take some examples there. Dwarf means वो बंदा जो कि जिसकी हाइट जो कम होती है, बिंद्रा. सो दिस इज़ हाउ ड्वार्फ. एंड ड्वार्फ का प्लूरल दोनों वेज में हो सकता है. आप ड्वार्फ लिखकर उसके साथ अगर हम एस मिला देंगे तो भी हमारा वो प्लूरल बन जाएगा. या फिर हम क्या करेंगे, इनके साथ हम एफ़ को काट कर VES भी अगर लगाएं तो भी हमारा वो क्या हो जाएगा, सही हो जाएगा. सो वील डू व्हाट, ड्वार्फ्स. एंड एफ को हम क्या कर देंगे, काट देंगे. एंड देन वील एड VES, ड्वार्फ्स. सो बोथ वेज, this way and this way, both ways these nouns are correct, both plural forms are correct. दोनों plural forms आपकी क्या होंगी, correct मानी जाएंगी. they both are correct. and then let's discuss the another example, hoof. and then in both ways आप s भी लगा सकते हैं, या फिर हम क्या करेंगे, hooves भी आपने लगा दिया. so this is how we'll be moving forward. Scarf, another example, scarf is there. Scarves, इस लगाएंगे, सही है. Scarves, calf, calves, calves, वाफ, वाफ्स बंदरगाह को कहते हैं, वाव्स.